Regrowth Hairstyles. Today I have, oh, I almost called you Mac. This is Mckaizlee. She is my son's girlfriend. Anyway, so we call her Mac. She is not loving the way her hair has that line when her blonde's growing out. So she wanted to add dark. She doesn't want to go all dark, but she's wanting to add some in. And this is a great way to soften that hard line up there. So I wanted to show you guys what I am doing to make that happen. She doesn't want to go way dark, so what I'm doing is I have mixed with 10 volume, a 7N with a little bit of 6G. The reason being is the G is going to counteract this blonde. So if I was just to put the N color on the blonde, you're going to get a green look or a gray look. It just won't. You need to put that color back in the blonde that is missing to make it be a good color, if that makes sense. So yeah, we have a 7N and a 6G with 10 volume. Okay, that's what I'm doing for the brown. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit more fine. You can kind of see how that's a little bit more fine instead of chunky, obviously, because we want it to blend more. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the brown on the bottom. And to make it blend really well, we are going to do one brown, so the ratio is 1 brown to 1 blonde. Now the blonde I am using is a bleach. On the bottom I'm using 20 volume because by the time you get to the top, you're going to want to use 40 volume. So this is going to be processing, obviously, while I'm still coloring this, right? So I only want to put a 20 volume down here with the bleach, and then up here is when I'm going to put the 40, so this can catch this. Does that make sense? So 20 volume and 40 volume. Okay, so this one I'm doing the blonde. Okay. Obviously, you do not want to go over the blonde that is already here. So you're just going to do the root area up to the blonde, but do not go over the blonde. Okay, the other key I have is do not make your sections big. Okay, you want to do them fairly thin, just so you can get close to the scalp, okay? So again, I'm just doing this kind of fine. And this way we decided that if next time she wants to go a little bit darker, we will do the 6N instead of the 7. But we didn't, you know, want to go too dark with her at first, so that's why we ended up doing the 7. Okay, when I do put my foil in, I like to hold the hair tight up this way, put the foil in, and then push the hair down like that. Oh my gosh, and that one's supposed to be a dark. So I'm going to wash that and redo that one. Okay, so, and that's the thing, just make sure you watch dark, then my light, then my dark, then my light. Okay, I'm going to go around the head this way. When I get to the top, I section her in a mohawk section, okay? I love to go right where they part, and I do the mohawk section this way. Okay, so all the way up, just do your layers, okay? Blonde, dark, blonde, dark. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm glad I caught that. Oh, you gotta love it. Anyway, okay, we will show you the ending of her color when we are all done. So thanks for watching and have an awesome day.